On July 5, 2023, these multi-cell storms came by. During the early afternoon,
As the minutes go by, the storm is intensifying by the moment. It's shown on radar.
This does look a bit like a funnel cloud.
However, there's a lack of rotation in the cloud itself. Many people mistake these for funnel clouds.
This is a scud cloud, usually mistaken for funnel clouds. They may look like funnel clouds, but they form much differently as they're formed by rain-cooled air.
Here are some scud cloud pictures. You can see the scud clouds start to dissipate a bit.